You have opened a cute little pizza shop here.
Yes, I did my market research and accordingly I set the pizza prices. And see, I've hired my first employee. She is 12 years old and her resume was full of sketches and drawings. And by seeing that, I must say that she has some great potential.
Oh really? Wow! She's not that great for the follow through. How do you plan to keep her around when it's so sunny and sweaty outside?
See, I've thought that, and what I'm thinking, I'll give equity alongside her minimum wage. So the harder she works, more the value of company will be, and ultimately she'll make more.
I sort of feel like she'll be happy selling chocolates and candies.
No, you don't know. Nowadays market are so stiff and we need to do these kind of stuffs.
Okay, sure, but when she starts crying about her taxes, don't tell me that I didn't warn you.
What is equity compensation? To simplify it, equity compensation is a scheme where I can give a part of the ownership to the employee. In India, this is usually done with the stock and stock options. Let us take the example of my pizza. If I am cutting this pizza into the 8 slices and 1 slice if I am giving to my employee, then that 1 slice can act as the part of the ownership, and that's exactly what equity compensation is. In good olden days, equity compensation was only offered to C-suite executives, but afterwards, many tech companies have also started to follow this trend to retain the best talent possible. But nowadays, many small to big companies have started to follow this trend.
And it's not just good for the employee. As an employee, depending on how much I'm granted and how much profit I earn, it's possible I get to pay less on my taxes. I joined this pizza company early, so there's a possibility in future when the company skyrockets, I'm in for more profit.
Taking another example into account, let's say you love to make and sell homemade jewelries. So you decide to start your own jewelry business. To grow your business, you need to invest money in buying materials, renting workspace, and also market your product. You might ask your friends and family for help. Or you could just go to a bank and get a loan. Another way to raise money in your business is to sell stocks in your company. Now let's say you hire someone to make and sell the jewelry. To make sure they are invested and motivated in the success of your business, you offer them the equity compensation in the form of stock option. This means you are giving them the opportunity to buy certain number of shares in your company at a future date at a predetermined price. For example, if you offer your employee an option to buy 50 shares of your company for 20 rupees per share within next 2 years. This means if the company is doing well and the stock price goes up, your employee could buy them at the lower price than they are worth. On the other hand, if the company is not doing well and the stock price goes down, your employee could decide not to buy the shares.
There are many types of equity compensation in India, such as equity stock option plan, equity stock purchase, management stock option plan, restricted stock unit, and sweat equity. But it is important to note that there are tax implications for both company and employee. The company has to pay tax on the value of share issued, and employee has to pay taxes on the gains they make by buying and selling of those stocks.
Hold on, wait, before you go, know that with equity compensation, there is no guarantee that this would pay off. Unlike your paid salary, you could never be sure if this would pay off or not. However, a negotiation with fair and balanced terms with both equity and cash components are considered to be a good deal. So, what do you think about equity compensation? If you have any further questions, reach us out or jot them down in the comments below. And for more such updates, follow Bullsmart Stock Academy.